Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to swap BNB to Ethereum in Metamask. So as you can see, my Metamask is open over here. Click on this drop down arrow here and then swap to the BNB Smart Chain Network, because it's in the BNB Smart Chain Network where you'll find the BNB token. Okay, that's the simple logic behind this. Okay, so click on swap and then be patient. In most cases, it takes some time because of the congestion on the blockchain. Alright, so as you can see, it's almost done and it's done swapping over here because I'm seeing the BNB over here. So I'll just keep patient for a few minutes. Alright, so it's done swapping, or it's done switching from Ethereum main network to BNB. So for this case, I'll click on this BNB over here. Remember, I want to swap from BNB to the Ethereum tokens. Okay, so just click on this BNB, or if you want to just click on that, of course. So as you can see, after clicking on the BNB over here, you'll have two options, one saying buy and the second option saying swap. So for this case, we're going to be swapping from BNB to Ethereum in this tutorial title as it says. So click on swap. Alright, so I think I clicked on buy. I need to go back. Okay, so I'll click on the BNB once again and then click on swap. Swap is this one, the second one here, which is already shown in blue. So after clicking on swap, you'll be asked how much BNB you have, and then you want to swap your BNB to what. So click on this drop down arrow here which says select token, and then after that you have to search for Ethereum. Remember, you're swapping from BNB to Ethereum. So click on Ethereum there and then select it. So as you can see, we are swapping from BNB to Ethereum. So input the amount of BNB you have. So for this case, I'm putting 2 BNB. I'm assuming I'm having that BNB. So after putting 2 BNB, click on get quotes over here. When you click on get quotes, it will load up for you the quotes and you'll be able to swap. As you can see, with 2 BNB, I'll be able to get 0.43174 Ethereum tokens. And the estimated gas fee is over here, which is 0.95 Ethereum or BNB. So click on swap this side over here and you'll be able to swap. For my case, I won't swap because I don't have enough BNB. This was just for tutorial purposes. But I hope guys you got the value and I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.